Trinidad and Tobago. When I tell you, it's all through the Caribbean. But this is a Trinidad and Tobago classic. You understand? So here we go with the recipe. So for my recipe, guys, and those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe to my lovely channel. Right? Give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment box. And don't forget to hit that bell. So here we go with the recipe. I have some pumpkin here. I have 2 cups of freshly grated pumpkin. Coconut. Oh gosh. 2 cups of grated coconut. I took out all the husky part of the coconut. Freshly grated. You understand? And I have some cassava. Another name people might use to call cassava is yuca. And I have 3.5 cups of yuca or cassava. Sweet potato. You understand? I have 1 cup of grated sweet potato. You must have some sugar. And I choose to use white sugar. Right? I have 2 cups of granulated sugar. This is evaporated milk. Carnation evaporated milk. I have 1 cup. And I have 1 cup of freshly grated coconut milk. You understand? Now we're coming down to the stuff that makes the pone tasty and nice. You have to have some nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. In fact, I have 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon spice. 1 level. 1 level, you are saying, you must level it off. 1 level teaspoon of baking powder and some salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Just half a teaspoon. So this is all you would need, essential stuff to make your pone tasty and nice. Now you must have some butter. You understand? And I have 2 tablespoons of softened butter. You don't want the butter hard, you want it soft and nice. And you want to put in some black pepper. You know, you just want to put a little pinch of black pepper, you know, just a little pinch of black pepper. And vanilla extract, I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And if you want to put raisins, you could put raisins. In fact, I'm going to be using 3/4 cup of raisins. So, I'm going to be back to show you how I mix this entire pone recipe. Okay, so here we are now. We're going to do the mixing of this pone. So you can mix it anyhow you want, as long as you combine all the basic ingredients together. Okay? I like to put in the cassava. Add the cassava. You add the pumpkin. You add the sweetheart, the coconut. This style in the show. I love coconut in everything I'm doing. Really. The sweet potato. Everything is freshly grated. And you just combine it together. Let me use a bigger spoon. You just combine it together, okay? You add the sugar. 1 cup at a time. We are making pone today, guys, in Andrea's Trini Kitchen. And this is a classic in the Caribbean. It's a real tasty treat. I'm going to add the butter. Keep on combining. I'm going to add the rest of the sugar. I'm telling you, as long as you have your ingredients prepped, everything in life you have to prepare for. You understand? Everything. You want to go on the beach, you have to make sure you have your swimsuit. You want to play cricket, you have to make sure you have a bat and a ball. So everything you have to prepare. If you want to make pone and you're looking every minute to see if you could find this and find that, that ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. You put in the carnation milk. And you have to choose the size of baking pan that will fit your pone, okay? Smell good already. You put in the coconut milk. Keep on mixing. Now I'm going to add the salt and the spices to it. Baking powder. And this is going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit about for an hour and a half. Until it's golden brown. Okay? You put the salt. Let me get the black pepper. You put the cinnamon spice. And the nutmeg. Wow, very flavorful. Leave a comment, you guys, if you tried this recipe and it came out really nice. Leave a comment. Now, you could put raisins if you want. If you don't want to put raisins, some people make it without raisins. I have a video I did already that I did not put raisins, but this time I'm putting raisins. Smells so good already. Real tasty. And I'm going to put vanilla extract. And guys, all these ingredients will be posted in the description box below. Okay, so don't worry, I'll post it. And you put a sprinkle of black pepper. That brings out a nice little flavor to it, that black pepper. Nice sprinkle. And voila! Combine it for about a minute or two. Make sure all the ingredients are really incorporated. And you're going to be having a really nice treat. So I'll be back to show you how I place it in a butter dish and put it in the oven. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to use now, I'm going to be using a baking dish. This is actually, I think it's like a 7 by 10. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to butter your dish. Get some butter and butter your dish so that your pone don't stick. Right? And the oven is already set at 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the mixture, all of it, into this dish. And you sort of smoothen off the top. Smoothen off the top. I'm telling you, this is going to be a real tasty treat when it's finished. You see, it is not too dry. You see all that liquid? All of that is going to cook the pone. All this liquid is going to cook the pone really nicely. It's going to be tender, soft and nice. So, now I'm going to stick it into the oven. I'm going to put it on the top shelf in the oven. Okay, and I'm going to leave this bad boy in here until it is golden brown. So I'll be back with a completed version of my pone. See you again. Folks, this is the end product of my pone. Very delicious looking. Has this nice golden texture. Right? And I've decorated it with a little cherries and mint. Right? Like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you will be notified of any new videos Gail Andrea has put up. So see you again with another great video. This is Gail Andrea saying, see you for now. Bye.